Did you know owls are full of amazing secrets? First, an owl can turn its head up to 270 degrees, helping it watch almost everything around it. Second, their flight is nearly silent because of their special feathers. Third, owls have incredible night vision, allowing them to hunt even in very low light. Fourth, they can hear sounds from different directions with amazing accuracy. And finally, unlike most birds, many owls swallow their prey whole before later coughing up the indigestible parts. Nature truly made owls one of the most fascinating hunters on Earth. Which owl fact surprised you the most? Let me know below.